Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Canva to use brand voice templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Canva homepage and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Brand Kit section in the left-hand menu. Here, look for the option labeled Brand Voice. Click on Brand Voice to access the settings for your brand's customization. You will see various options to set up your brand voice. To authorize templates for brand voice, click on the Templates tab within this section. Next, locate the option that allows you to connect to your existing templates. If prompted, grant permission for Canva to access your templates. This step ensures that your brand voice settings will seamlessly integrate with your chosen templates. After authorization, you will be redirected back to the brand voice settings. Now, you can start customizing your brand voice by selecting tone and personality traits. Make sure to save your settings to apply the changes. To verify successful authorization, browse your templates. Choosing one of your authorized templates will show your brand voice settings in action. Adjust any specific elements within the template to closely align with your brand guidelines. Review your customized templates to ensure they meet your brand expectations. Now, you're fully set to use your brand voice templates in your designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.